Hello everyone, welcome to this guitar tutorial for the song Wait For You by Grentperez. So first up, I'd just like to say a quick thank you to this person right here for suggesting this song for me to teach. Thank you very much for that. So quick disclaimers first, I'm going to be playing this song as close and as accurate to its original audio as possible, as well as playing it as simple as possible so that more of you guys will be able to follow, as well as teaching you guys how to play this song as if you're just going to be playing this all by yourself with your acoustic or electric guitar. So before we begin, please do not forget to leave a like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. And if you guys would like me to teach anything else, just comment it down below right here, and I'll try to do it for you. And you'll also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I really appreciate that. And yeah, if you guys would like to watch my other Grentperez guitar tutorials or covers, just click this one right here at the top. Should be all good. And yeah, that said, let's go straight right into it. Okay, so for the chords that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be these ones right here. First up is going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord, C sharp minor 7, C minor 7, B minor 7, F minor 7, and you could do it like this or like this, same as this one right here. It depends on you and your preference when it comes to playing this song anyway. And aside from that, it's going to be the E minor 7 chord, D major 7, E7, A sharp major 7, moving on to the D minor 7 chords, and the A major 7 chord. Okay, so when it comes to the plucking pattern that we're going to use for this song, it's going to be this one right here. And with that said, we're going to be playing this for every 2 counts of a chord that we're going to be playing in this song. It's going to be like this. Yep, just like that. So it's going to be bass string, which could either be the lower E string or the A string, depending on the root note of the chord that you're playing at the time. Then it's going to be the D string, G and the B strings all together, then a down strum. Yep, bass with your thumb, D string with your index, then G and the B strings with your middle and your ring finger, then a down strum. Yep, so for example with the D major 7 chord, it's going to be like this. Yep, and for a bit of effect, as you do the down strum, make sure that you also immediately release the tension in your fingers right here. Yep, so it's going to be down strum then release, down strum then release. Yep, like so. Yep, just like that. And aside from that, we're also just going to be doing a simple down strum for each chord that we're going to be playing for 1 count. Yep, so it's going to be this one for 2 counts and this one for 1 count. Yep, so it's going to be like this. Yep, same thing. Okay, and as for the intro section of this song, chord progression is going to be this one right here. First up is going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord for 2 counts. Then C sharp minor 7 chord, C minor 7, then B minor 7 chord for 4 counts, which means that we're going to be doing our plucking pattern twice. So it's going to be like this. Once more. Then F sharp minor 7 chord for 1 count, F minor 7 for 1, then the E minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, then that whole chord progression once more. F sharp minor 7 chord for 2 counts. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Okay, and as for the first and the second verse section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. Yep, similar to the intro section earlier, but we're just going to be adding this part at the end. So it's going to be the F sharp minor 7 chord for 1 count, F minor 7 for 1 count, then the E minor 7 chord for 4 counts. Yep, so all you know, that would be like this. F sharp minor 7, then this one, then this one, then this one. Once more. Then this one. And this. F sharp minor 7. Then this one. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Been meaning to tell you what's on my mind. I must have thought about it 1,000 times. Yeah, we've been talking some time now. So why don't we see what this could be about? Oh, I don't know. Okay, and as for the first chorus section of this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be the D major 7 chord for 4 counts, E7 for 4, F sharp minor 7 for 4, E minor 7 for 4, E minor 7 for 4, then E sharp major 7 for 4, F sharp minor 7 for 2, then this, then this, then this, F sharp minor 7, then once more, then this one, then this one. Yep, once you finally figured that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. Think it's time you should let me see what this love could really be. Give it time, you say. Baby, you know I'll be waiting. Gonna give you your time. Oh yeah. Okay, and as for the second chorus section of this song, it's going to be this one right here. It's going to be a shorter version compared to the first chorus, so it's going to be the same thing for the half part. It's going to be the D major 7 chord for 4 counts, E7, F sharp minor 7, E minor 7, B minor 7, then the A sharp major 7. Yep, just like that. And once you finally figure that out, it's going to sound a little bit like this. That you're not meant for me. You should go ahead and leave me all alone. Oh, I gave you time and you wasted mine. Okay, so when it comes to the outro section of this song, the chord progression is going to be these ones right here. And for these chord progressions onward, new chords are going to be introduced. So first up is going to be the A major 7 chord for 2 counts. Then this one. Yep, just one more. A major 7. Then this one, then this one, but only for 2 counts, and we're going to be moving on to the D minor 7 chord for 2 counts. Once more, A major 7 chord, then this one, then this one, then this one, only for 2 counts as well. That's going to be the A sharp major 7 chord for 2 counts. then this one, this one, this one, then this one, E sharp major 7, once more, this one, then this one, then the D minor 7 chord now for 4 counts. The demo is going to be something a little bit like this. And lastly, for the solo section of this song, the chord progression is going to be this one right here. So once more, F sharp minor 7 chord for 2 counts, then this one, then this one, then this one for 4 counts, then this one, then this, then this, then this for 4 counts as well. Once more, this one, then this one, then this, then this, then the A sharp major 7 chord for 4 counts, then the A major 7 chord. Yep, so you could do it like this, or like this, or like this, or even just do this. I think the song fades out when it comes to the original audio of the song, but I just decided to end it on the A major 7 chord for us to play with in our guitars. And yeah, that said, when it comes to this, so yeah, that is the end of this guitar tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this far into the video. Please leave a like if you've enjoyed it so that I'll know. And please once again do not forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell down below so that you guys will be able to stay updated for future videos. So if you guys would like me to teach you anything else, just comment it down below as well, and I'll try to do it for you. And you will also be able to show your support by sending a super thanks my way down below as well. I'd really appreciate that. And yeah, so if you guys would like to watch my other Grentperez guitar tutorials, just click these ones right here. It's all good. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.